Okay, this is a Chevy Sonic, and I just replaced the serpentine belt on it. And even though I did the job already, there's a couple things I want to share with you. You're going to need two special tools to make this easier. One is going to be a serpentine bar and a 14mm low profile socket is on the end there. And why you're going to need that is if you go up, you can see how close that tension is. Not tension, how much space. There's really no space at all to get that on there. If you have a standard like Craftsman or Cobalt socket, 14mm, any name brand, see your clearance, you're going to need a low profile so you can squeeze back on that pulley and loosen up the tension on that. And then the other thing that's going to be super helpful is going to be this to help fish from underneath. And this serpentine belt tool is awesome in getting this belt off, and you're going to have to get it around this alternator. So basically, first what you do is you put it behind a pulley, so pulley tension, pulley back, and then you're going to use this tool to feed it up around and shove it up in that corner of the alternator to get that belt around. That's going to be the only way you're going to be able to do that. Anyway, hopefully that is super helpful, because I know it was helpful for me. And any questions, please leave them in the comments. Also, you have the splash guard. Everything's kind of going in reverse, but I figured I'd show you. The splash guard goes back underneath here. And then you have this little center clip, goes on the outside. But I just ended up pulling it back like this, mainly because I couldn't figure out where it was connected in under there, and then going underneath, you must have some sort of weird clip. So it looked like you ended up having to take this whole panel out, but the quick shortcut is you just bend that panel back, and that gets you access in there. And there actually is plenty of room except for that socket. And obviously you're taking the wheel off. But anyway, that's your Chevy Sonic serpentine belt. And a couple quick tips and tricks. And hopefully that helps. And then having these couple tools. And I'll leave the link in the description, because without this tool and that low profile 14mm on the end of there, you're gonna have a tough time getting that job done by yourself. Okay, hope that helps. Brian, Garage Mahal, thanks for liking and subscribing.